Okay. Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Berodasti. Today, I would like to explain the next example that is based on bisection method. And in bisection method, we have two important criteria. First important criteria is iteration criteria, and second important criteria is accuracy criteria. So today we discuss about accuracy criteria. So discuss in detail to solve by solving one numerical. So the numerical is using bisection method. Numerical is using bisection method. Using bisection method. Using bisection method. Obtain the root of equation. Obtain the root of equation. Root of equation. Equation is given as x square minus 8x plus 2. Equation x square minus 8x plus 2. Desired accuracy. Desired accuracy is 0.01. 0.01. So the numerical is using bisection method. What? Using bisection method, obtain the root of equation. Equation is x square minus 8x plus 2. Desired accuracy is 0.01. Means this numerical is based on accuracy criteria. And accuracy up to which accuracy? Up to 0.01 accuracy is given. So to solve this numerical based on accuracy criteria. Then how to solve? First of all, what is first step? First step is you have to assume initial cases. So before that, solution. What is the solution? We have function equation f of x equal to x square minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is our function equation. And accuracy. Accuracy is 0.01. Accuracy is 0.01. Let us assume for x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0.6. Let us assume x1 and x2. The next step, find f of x1 by putting x equal to 0 into function equation f of x1. Here f of x1 means now to put x equal to 0 is 0 square minus 8 into 0 plus 2 means it is f of x1 is 2 means positive. It is positive. Then next step, find f of x2. How to find f of x2? By putting x2 equal to 0.6 into function equation. Then f of x2 is equal to 0.6 square minus 8 into 0.6 plus 2 means f of x2 is equal to by calculation f of x2 is minus 2.44 it is negative. It is negative. After calculating functions f of x1 and f of x2, next step is you have to check for condition of convergence. So next step, check for condition of convergence. Condition of convergence. What is condition of convergence? Condition of convergence is f of x1 into f of x2 is less than 0 is the condition of convergence. So here just put f of x1. F of x1 is 2 into f of x2 is minus 2.44 minus 2.44, and it is the product of this is nothing but minus 4.88, and minus 4.88 is less than 0, means our initial guesses x1 and x2 are correct because it satisfies the condition of convergence. Condition of convergence is f of x1 into f of x2 is less than 0 is the condition of convergence. In this numerical, the product of f of x1 and f of x2 it is counted as minus, that is minus 4.88, means condition of convergence is satisfied. That means what? Our initial guesses x1 and x2 are correct. The next step we have to solve for next, that is for iteration first, that is based on accuracy criteria. So this numerical is based on accuracy criteria. For accuracy criteria, the solution is somewhat different that of iteration criteria. Okay, so step first. What is step first? Step first or iteration first. Iteration first. For iteration first, you have to assume x1 as 0, x2 as 0.6. Then next step. What is next step? Find find x3. How to find x3? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 means 0 plus 0.6 divided by 2, and it is 0.3. It is 0.3. Next step, find f of x1, find f of x2, and f of x3. Check signs for f of x1, f of x2, and f of x3, and then find sign convention for f of x1 and x3, because for next iteration again we require x1 and x2, that is x1 initial guess and x2 again initial guess. So next step is we have to find f of x1, f of x2, and f of x3. How to find f of x1? By putting 0 here 0.6, here 0.3. Already we have found out for f of x1 and f of x2. F of x1 it is positive, this one is negative, and here we have to find f of x3. How to find f of x3? How to find f of x3? By putting x3, that is equal to 0.3 into function equation. F of x3 is equal to 0.3 square minus function equation is 8. 8 into 0.3 plus 2, and by calculation f of x3 is minus negative. F of x3 minus 0.31 means it is negative. it is negative. Means now case f of x1 is positive, f of x2 is negative, f of x3 is negative. Means what? What about x1 and x2? What about x1 and x2? If signs of f of x2 and f of x3 are same, then we have to replace x2 by x3. We have to replace this x2 by x3 and keep x1 as it is. Means in this case, x1 is 0 and x2 is 0.3. x2 is 0.3. Next step. What is the condition of accuracy? Condition of accuracy is, means next step, check for accuracy. Check for accuracy. What is the condition of accuracy? x2, mod of x2 minus x1, it should be less than accuracy or not. We have to check either mod of x2 minus x1 is less than or greater than 0. Okay. Here in this case, mod of x2 is 0.3 and x1 is 0. Means mod of 0.3 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.3 and 0.3 is greater than 0.1 because our condition of accuracy is 0.01. We have to solve this numerical for accuracy 0.01, but x2 minus x1 is 0.3. Means it is greater than 0.01, means we have to proceed for next iteration. In this way, we have to repeat this procedure until we get difference between x2 minus x1 as less than accuracy. Here accuracy is 0.01. So until we solve this numerical based on accuracy criteria. So today we stop here. The next lecture we proceed further how to solve accuracy criteria numerical for step number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you.